Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Amazon Fire Stick tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a VPN on your Amazon Fire Stick. So installing a VPN on your Amazon Fire Stick is a great way to ensure you have privacy when using your Amazon Fire Stick, but you can also use it to change your region when watching streaming services such as Netflix, Hulu, BBC, Prime Video, things like that, to add more available shows to your collection. Now, to get started, the first thing we need to do on the middle menu here is go to Find, and then go down to Search. Select Search. Once we're in Search, we just need to look up the VPN service that we want to install and use on our Amazon Fire Stick. And the VPN that I use and recommend is going to be Ivacy VPN, just because they have an app built specifically for the Amazon Fire Stick, and because they have several different servers around the world, which means you can use it to get more shows on Netflix or just enhance security when using your Fire Stick. Comes up in the search right here, so I'll select Search on it. Now, if you don't already have an account with Ivacy VPN, check the description because I do have a link down there to where you can get it for $1.33 a month. And you can also save an additional 10% by using the code GAGING10. All right, so I'm going to select Ivacy VPN right here. Then I'll select Get to install it to my Amazon Fire Stick. Once it's installed, go ahead and open it up. Once you have your account with Ivacy VPN, you'll have two ways to log in on your Fire Stick. You can either type out your username and password using the on-screen keyboard and your remote, or if you have the app installed on your phone and you're logged in, you can scan the QR code on your screen and log in. So now I'm just going to log in with the QR code on my phone. And then as you can see, we are now logged in. Now that we have Ivacy VPN installed on our Fire Stick, and we are logged into our account, we first need to select the top option that says Automatic. And in here, we can have it automatically select the region that we're going to be using for our VPN by just selecting Automatic, or you can scroll through all the available regions. So as you can see, you have India, Canada, for example. We'll do the United Kingdom. I'll select that. It'll start connecting to a server in the United Kingdom. If you get this warning that says that Ivacy wants to set up a VPN connection, go ahead and allow that on your Fire Stick by selecting OK. So it's going to set up the VPN connection, and we're now running. Now that we have the VPN connection established using Ivacy, we can hit the home button on our Fire TV Stick controller, and the VPN will continue to run. So now I'll go into Netflix. And as you can see, Netflix thinks I am located in the UK, and this gives me access to things such as the show Friends, Big Bang Theory, or even The Office, all through my Netflix subscription while I'm located in the United States. Now, if I want to go back and turn off Ivacy VPN, all I need to do from the home screen is long press the home button on my controller. Then in the menu that comes up, go over and select Apps. Then in Apps, find Ivacy, select Ivacy. And all you need to do is select the green on button to turn it off. And now you have turned off Ivacy VPN. You can go back to your normal browsing on your Amazon Fire TV Stick. All right, so that's how you install a VPN on an Amazon Fire TV Stick. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Amazon Fire TV Stick tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.